What is up, YouTube? It is Jake on Reckless TV here, and this is my first video, so I kind of just wanted to tell you guys on what we're going to do and what we're going to post. I'm sure you saw a little bit of it. Our trucks, sleds, snowboarding, a little bit of everything. Along the way, we're going to get more toys. We're going to go bigger and better, and hopefully you guys can help us. And right now I'm in town. I'm just waiting for the boys, and we're going to get some truck pics and videos, so we'll pick up from there. 13 Silverado, 17 Sierra, tinted windows. We don't mess around. He's waiting for the tow mirrors. Pipes. He has duals. I got a straight pipe. Tint over there. 16 Silverado. If you have made it to this part, you are at the end of the video, so I want to thank you for making it that far. Please like and subscribe and come back.
Bottom, now your honky got a buzz on. Pabst Blue Ribbon cranking up a thumping country song. Tailgating, drinking beer, rolling up the greenery, shooting at the ducks while they passing by my